It's Friday night, so let's eat some dinner. As y'all know, we're going away, so we opted for takeout tonight. We've got some white rice, pan-fried dumplings, we get the sticky chicken wings, General Tso's, egg rolls, and then I specifically asked for sweet and sour sauce on the side because I've just been craving sweet and sour sauce. So out of these things, I mean, I could do it on the egg. Well, I like the duck sauce on the egg roll, so I'll probably like put sweet and sour all in my white rice. Oh, that first bite. It's just so good, buddy. One thing about me, and my husband knows it, if we're like eating out, I will always opt for takeout from this place because it's just so good. And I was literally saying to Carl, I don't know, like an hour ago maybe, like my family actually started going to this restaurant like when they moved to my childhood home, literally in 2004. Like we've been going to this place for a long time. Got my pan-fried dumplings. Just so good. Oh, so good. Oh, gosh. Okay. I'm going to just cover it just to keep it nice and hot. And then the chicken wings. I don't know what this sauce is. I've done research. I think it's oyster sauce. I could be wrong. These wings, though, are just so crispy. They're always so crispy. I don't know how they do it. I don't. But in the sauce, it all drips to the bottom, but it's like thick, like molasses. Dex, how dare my neighbors be outside, right? Just want to get another chicken wing. Ooh, and this sauce is so good. Hold on. I need to show you guys this sauce. Like, look at this. Ready? Can you see it? Oh my. I mean, it's so good. I feel like nobody actually knows what the sauce is. It's just everyone calls them sticky chicken wings, and everyone knows about the sticky chicken wings, but nobody knows what the sauce actually is. I think it's a secret. I don't know why. I've just really been craving the sweet and sour sauce. And like I said, I really didn't get any, like I didn't get the sweet and sour chicken. I just asked them for this on the side. And we've got some white rice here, so I'm just gonna squish my white rice into a nice little rice ball. And then I'm gonna dip it in my sweet and sour. Yes, honey. That's good. If you've never ordered pan-fried dumplings, you take the dumpling sauce, pour that on top. You kind of let it soak in. Yeah, honey. It's so good. Like I said, it's my favorite. If we're gonna take out, it is this. We've been changing it up lately though, but you know what, Carl? Maybe I do want a sneaky Sprite.
What?
You asked me if I wanted a soda before.
Oh, so you want a Sprite?
I don't know if I want a Sprite.
Coke?
Can you just get me a water bottle, please?
Water bottle?
Yeah. Someone just woke up from her nap. Hi, honey. It's gonna be a late night, and there's probably gonna be like a 10-minute packing vlog that I post later tonight. Really late. So stay tuned for that. Did you get my water?
I sure did.
Thank you. What are you guys having for dinner tonight? I'm always curious, so let me know. Thanks for eating dinner with me.